This is the AI News Flash for May 10th, 7 a.m. UTC. First up, Chinese theft of American AI technology is becoming increasingly brazen, The Spectator warned in a detailed feature.
Unauthorized acquisition of AI model weights, training data, semiconductor designs, and chip manufacturing technology is being systematically conducted through industrial espionage, cyber attacks, talent poaching, and circumvention exports via third countries in multi-layered approaches.
Recent cases include the $2.5 billion smuggling indictment of a Supermicro co-founder, TSMC 2-nanometer technology leak, with the arrest of former SVP Lo-Wei Zhen and 6 others moving to Intel, suspected mass smuggling of NVIDIA H200 chips to China's Alibaba via Thailand, and ByteDance's plan to acquire 36,000 Blackwell chips via Malaysia. The U.S.-China AI semiconductor hegemony battle has entered a new phase with accelerated U.S. defensive measures, including export control tightening, supply chain risk designations, and stricter Commerce Department BIS license reviews. Intellectual property protection of AI models, training data, and semiconductor manufacturing technology has been elevated to the highest national security priority. Second story, Western Digital has completely exited from Sandisk, repositioning Sandisk as a pure AI data center storage specialist, according to a detailed analysis by Simply Wall Saint. Western Digital's HDD business and Sandisk's flash memory and SSD business have completely separated, with Sandisk establishing a management structure fully focused on AI data center demand for high-capacity SSDs and enterprise flash storage. This strategic move responds to the explosive growth in storage demand at AI data centers, including Micron's 245TB SSD launch, Seagate's HDD sellout for 2026, structural demand expansion in the AI data center storage layer, and a $725 billion capex from the 4 hyperscalers in 2026. The AI data center storage market enters intensified, 5-way competition among Samsung, SK Hynix, Micron, Kioxia, and Sandisk. Following the HBM4 memory supercycle, the AI storage supercycle is now in full swing as the core of the second phase investment theme. A significant case demonstrating expansion of investment themes across the entire AI semiconductor ecosystem. Third up, Rackspace technology shares surged 210.2% following its return to profitability and AMD AI cloud deal announcement, according to detailed Simply Wall Saint analysis. Cloud services provider Rackspace achieved a turnaround from prolonged losses, while simultaneously announcing AI cloud infrastructure services using AMD Instinct GPUs. The market significantly reevaluated its diversification shift away from NVIDIA GPU dependence and transformation into an AI cloud specialist. AMD Instinct MI355X and MI455X series are rapidly gaining adoption as alternatives to NVIDIA Blackwell, optimized for inference workloads. This aligns with AMD's projected over $100 billion in AI semiconductor revenue by 2027. Meta's over $10 billion multi-year contract for AMD MI400 series, and CoreWeave's expanding AMD adoption. The AI cloud infrastructure market enters intensified competition among AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, CoreWeave, Navius, Lambda Labs, and Rackspace. A symbolic case showing the diversification shift from NVIDIA monopoly to AMD, the full-scale rise of AI cloud specialists, and major reevaluation of mid-sized AI cloud providers beyond hyperscalers. Fourth news, NVIDIA AI has officially released cuda-oxide, an experimental Rust-to-CUDA compiler backend, as open source, according to a technical report by MarkTech Post. This backend technology directly compiles SIMT GPU kernel code written in Rust to PTX intermediate representation for NVIDIA GPUs, fusing Rust's memory safety with CUDA's high-performance GPU parallel computing capability into a groundbreaking developer tool. Memory management errors, data races, and undefined behavior bugs that frequently occurred in conventional CUDA C++ development are fundamentally resolved through Rust's ownership system and type safety. This simultaneously achieves NVIDIA CUDA ecosystem expansion, AI inference performance optimization, and improved high-performance GPU parallel computing safety. Direct effects include AI model inference cost reduction, enterprise AI workload reliability improvement, and structural competitive strengthening of the AI infrastructure layer. a symbolic technical release demonstrating further reinforcement of NVIDIA CUDA software ecosystem dominance, Rust language expansion into AI development, and the new frontier of system language and AI semiconductor convergence. Fifth and final story. Enterprise software giant SAP is accelerating AI governance strengthening through acquisition of data lakehouse specialist Dremio. According to detailed Yahoo Finance analysis, Dremio provides a real-time integration and query execution platform for distributed enterprise data. SAP's acquisition builds a foundation layer enabling enterprise AI agents to integratively access all in-company data sources, realizing the strategic balance of data democratization and governance for the AI agent era. ServiceNow AI Control Tower. Microsoft Agent 365, Snowflake Horizon Catalog, and SAP's Dremio acquisition together demonstrate that strategic differentiation competition in the enterprise AI agent governance domain has launched simultaneously across major SaaS platform vendors. Gartner predicts 40% of enterprise applications will integrate AI agents by year-end 2026, signaling explosive demand for unified management platforms for in-company AI agent fleets. For enterprise software giants amid the SaaS-pocalypse debate, the AI agent governance layer is being established as the new key battleground for strategic differentiation. That's all for this AI news flash.